Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the topic derivatives. Okay, so the term derivative stand for a contract whose price is derived from or is depend upon an underlying asset. Okay, so derivative mainly stand for a contract. If a person do the contract of buying and selling, okay, means two parties have the contract of commodity buying and selling, and they decide the delivery date and the payment date, so that is used like a derivative. Okay, so the derivative term is given to that contract only. So the underlying assets could be in financial assets. So it is not necessary that only the sale and purchase of commodity take place. It can be securities also, financial assets like bonds, equities. So today around the world, derivative contracts are traded on electricity, weather, temperature, and even volatility according to the Security Contract Regulation Act 1956. So the term derivative include. So according to this Act 1956, Security Contract Regulation Act, is security derived from a debt institution, share, loan, whether secure or unsecure, risk instrument or contract for difference or any other form of securities. So security है that is a debt instrument. So उसमें debt instruments means the person is borrowing the money. Okay, so it can be share, loan, and a contract which derive is वैल्यू फ्रॉम द प्राइजेस और इंडेक्स ऑफ प्राइजेस और अंडरलाइंग सिक्योरिटीज. कोई ऐसा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जिसकी की वैल्यू उसके प्राइस से, लाइक इफ ए पर्सन इज परचेजिंग बॉन्ड, देन द वैल्यू इज money only. Okay, price of that bond only. Okay, bond is nothing, that is a paper only, so the paper does not have value, but the price of that paper is having value. So if we see the concept of derivative, so it can be traced back to the Mesopotamia era when the 6th Babylonian king allows sale of goods and assets at a pre-agreed price. Okay, मीन्स अगर हम मेसोपोटामिया ईरा में देखें तो वहाँ पे भी हमें जो कॉन्सेप्ट है डेरिवेटिव्स का वो मिलता है कि जो सेल थी गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज की, दैट इज़ डन एट ए प्री एग्रीड प्राइस एंड देर इज़ सम फ्यूचर डिलीवरी डेट. ओके, मीन्स जो डिलीवरी है वो फ्यूचर में कोई डेट फिक्स हो जाती है उस पर होते हैं. लाइक आज जैसे वीट की सेल एंड परचेज हो रही है. ओके, तो जो भी प्राइस है उस पर एग्रीड हो गया, बट डिलीवरी आज नहीं होगी, दैट विल बी इन फ्यूचर. ओके, सो द वर्किंग ऑफ ए डेरिवेटिव कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऑफ दिस नेचर इज वेरी सिंपल. सो वी विल also understand this with an example. For example, there is a farmer. So the farmer is having 10-acre land, area of land. So the farmer having two options. Either the farmer can grow wheat in 10 acre, or the farmer can grow wheat in 5 acre and rice in 5 acre. Okay, so the farmer having option. So if the farmer is growing only wheat in the we can say in his farm, so the demand for rice will increase. Okay, and we can say due to lack of supply, the demand for rice will increase and the farmer will suffer from the loss that he can gain by growing rice. And other, if the farmer is growing only rice, then he will suffer from the loss of wheat. But if the farmer do the contract with the we can say dealer or the companies, okay, and they give to the farmer a predetermined price, पहले से ही determined price जो होएगा वो उसकी फसल ग्रो होने से पहले ही प्राइस डिसाइड हो जाएगा. So whatever the farmer is producing, either the fully wheat or he is growing in 10 acre rice, so that is not the matter. So whatever the farmer is growing, he will get the predetermined price of his product. उसको अपने जो भी प्रोडक्ट है उसका जो पहले से determine हो चुका है प्राइस वो मिल जाता है. ओके, नाउ वी हैव Types of derivative contracts. So these contracts are classified in three ways. So first we have on the basis of the nature of the derivative contract, nature के base पे, then on the basis of the underlying asset and on the basis of place of trading. So derivative can be broadly classified in two types based on the nature contract as can be seen from the diagram. So we have derivative forward commitment and contingent claim. So forward commitment में we have forward, future, swaps, and in contingent claim we have option and swaps. Okay, so forward commitment are mean that these commitments are done that there is a predetermined fixed price of a product and the delivery of the product will take place in a future date. Okay, जो delivery है product की वो तो future में किसी fixed date पे होनी है and the price is predetermined. Okay, then we have participants in the derivative markets. So as with the regular financial market, derivative market have the following participants. There are many type of participants as we have discussed that there is forward derivative market and contingent. So in forward derivative market we can say that the buying and selling take place in a future at a fixed price date. Okay, and if we talk about the contingent, so the in contingent also there are two parties and they agree to buy, they agreed on the buying and selling of any product and the price is fixed and the delivery of the product also take place in some future date. Okay, and in forward market the neither party can deny from the contract. कोई भी पार्टी उसमें है वो deny नहीं कर सकते contract से. And so in if we talk about the participants, so in we have regular financial market. So derivative market have the following participants like investors. So investor that take place in forward and contingent markets, that can be individual, we can say retail investor, institutional investor, and bank corporates. Okay, so they have the different objective of investing in derivatives. Then regulatory authorities. So it is regulated by the SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, and RBI, the interest rate and currency derivative market. So that is forward market commission. इसमें क्या होता है कि forward market there is some commission also, and commodity market. And now these markets are merged with SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India. So SEBI overlook both parties of the derivative market. Then other also there are like clearing and settlement agencies, credit rating agencies, investor governance, etc. So mainly the participants who invest in these are, first we have hedgers. So that is also called hedging. Hedging as earlier we have discussed. So hedging we can say market is that market in which there is more risk. Okay, so hedgers are the person who do the investment by taking risk. कि वो इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं रिस्क लेकर कि लाइक कोई पर्सन है वो शेयर मार्केट में पैसा लगा रहा है. सो शेयर मार्केट इज अनसर्टेन, सो देर इज अनसर्टेनिटी. इफ द पर्सन इज इन्वेस्टिंग money and there is loss in the to the company, so there is loss to the investor also. Okay, so there is risk in the share market. So hazard are these type of investor who invest by taking risk. Then we have speculators. So speculator are the person who take the view of the future prices. ओके, वो देखते हैं कि फ्यूचर में क्या प्राइस रहने वाला है, प्राइस फॉल होएगा या प्राइस इंक्रीज होएगा. ओके, एंड दे व्यू वेदर प्राइस वुड राइज और फॉल इन द फ्यूचर एंड अकॉर्डिंगली बाय और सेल फ्यूचर एंड ऑप्शन टू ट्राई एंड मेक ए प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम द प्राइस मूवमेंट ऑफ द अंडरलाइंग एसेट्स. कि जो भी एसेट्स है फिर वो उनसे अगर प्राइस इंक्रीज हो जाता है फ्यूचर में देन दे गेन, समटाइम वी कैन से दे लॉस ऑल्सो. बट फर्स्टली दे take the view of the situation, that what is the situation of the market, that the prices are going to increase or going to decrease. So after taking view only they used to invest. So the retail investor who invest for the purpose of making profit on gain fall under this category. Then we have arbitrage. So arbitragers, or we can say arbitrage, so that position in financial market to earn riskless profit, जो कि कोई भी मतलब रिस्क नहीं लेना चाहते हैं, to earn the profit. The arbitrage take short and long position in the same or different contract same time to create a position which can generate a riskless profit. So in this there are no risk in the investment, means this is riskless profit. So इसमें रिस्क नहीं होता है. आर्बिट्रेजर्स जो इन्वेस्टर होते हैं वो उस टाइप के इन्वेस्टर होते हैं जो कि रिस्क लेके इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करते हैं. सो दिस वी हैव डिस्कस द टाइप ऑफ इन्वेस्टर हु इन्वेस्ट इन द डेरिवेटिव्स. So students, this is about the term derivative. So read this from your book also. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.